What is up, you guys? Pete DiCarlo here, and today we're going to be doing a Tesla earnings outlook. So I'm going to start doing these for some of the bigger companies out there who have earnings coming up, because I know a lot of you guys are usually asking me, hey, am I going to be buying this stock going into an earnings date? And specifically, what am I looking for? What am I looking at if I'm somebody who is invested in Tesla? So guys, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell. If you haven't already, go and check out our free Discord server. If you want access to all my long-term investments, I post them all over here. If you guys want to hang out with me, trade with me, if you want to live stream with me every single week, I do that over there for free as well. And I also have free courses for you guys. So go ahead and check it out. The link is in the description. So now I got some notes here that I've taken from a couple of articles and highlighted. So we're going to go over these, and then we're going to look at the price of Tesla and all of that. So let's get started. As far as right now, Tesla did actually hit a high for the month at about $880. We did reject a little bit today, but if you look at the past 3 years, the stock has done nothing but go up, nothing but bounce off of this support, and we're gonna get back to that after we go through this. So Tesla reporting their earnings from Austin this time for the first time. Chief Executive Elon Musk announced last week that the company was moving headquarters to Austin from Palo Alto, California, even though it still plans on investing and expanding in California. Tesla has just had its annual share meeting. This was, I think, a week and a half ago. They had their shareholder meeting, and that might be the last investors' day we will hear directly from Musk in a while. Tesla's meeting post second quarter results in late July. Musk surprised Wall Street by saying he would unlikely, be on future Tesla earnings calls unless there was, quote, something that he needed to say that was important. He told analysts it was unclear whether he would be on this call coming up on Wednesday. Here's what to expect. So here's the numbers. Then we're going to talk about some key metrics to watch for. Earnings. Consensus for Tesla to report an adjusted earnings per share of $1.54 for the quarter. That would compare with adjusted earnings of 76 cents a share in third quarter of 2020. So that would be a massive growth from an EPS standpoint. They're expecting an adjusted profit of $1.78 per share for Tesla. Revenue is calling for $13.7 billion, which would compare to $8.8 billion in 2020. So that's like nearly double. That is nearly a 100% growth, which is just nuts. What to expect? Musk updated investors about Cybertruck at the shareholder meeting, saying the futuristic look of the all-electric pickup will enter production next year and hit volume production by 2023. Musk described a, quote, constant struggle to get enough chips and other auto parts for the truck and other Tesla vehicles, saying that it is a respite for the worst of the shortages is likely by 2020. So investors will want to hear more about the predictions and also the details on how the current shortages continue to affect the car maker. This is something that's going to be very, very important, because as chip shortage, continues to have more and more delays, this is more and more that we could push back, not even the Cybertruck, but the amount of cars that Tesla is able to push out. Tesla had, we'll go back to this. So sales in China are also at the top of the list of issues for investors that we want to get details from. Tesla had a rocky first few months in 2021 in China, where orders for its vehicles fell, where Tesla faced a backlash over how it handled customer concerns about safety and quality of its cars. Tesla also had to grapple with more competition from Chinese vehicles, such as NIO. Quote, after China sales earlier this year, Tesla is seeing a massive demand and momentum, end quote, and into the year, quote, robust sales in the past 6 months of September in China are a clear positive for the bulls, he said. The dark clouds are in the rearview mirror. So a bump in sales for Tesla in China is, quote, a clear indicator of a green tidal wave taking hold for Musk and the company across the board. So overall, what we're really going to be looking for is obviously those numbers, massive numbers that they're going to have to put up. I think they can do it. So we're going to be looking at the EPS, and we're going to be looking at revenue doubling year over year, which is freaking nuts. But the stock has also been moving as well in a very aggressive manner that basically would show at least that happening. The other thing, too, is going to be the chip shortage and predictions and good guidance. We're going to have really, really good guidance, and we're going to have good guidance as far as chip manufacturing and chip delays is going to be considered. So these are all important things. I currently don't have a position in Tesla. I was trading it. If you guys have never seen my trading channel, it's called Traders Helping Traders. The link is down below. But I've been trading it for the past couple of months. Made about $2,000 in the past 3 months off of it, just trading it every once in a while. But I was planning to hold some shares into earnings, but it just has completely taken off within the past week. And I just feel like entering a position at this point for me is not really worth it. But if you're a long-term investor, go at it. I love Tesla. I do think the valuation is a little rich right here, but I do think that overall Tesla will be a huge investment and a great return in the next 5, 6, 7, 8 years. I am sad that I did sell my shares. I did make like 400% return, so I was happy with that. But overall, I really like this company. I think they're going to do well. How the stock short term reacts to earnings tomorrow is going to be very volatile and very important. I'm pricing in about a 15% move. So I think we're either going to pull back to about $720 or potentially move back up to like 950. It's really going to depend, because if they really smash things out of the park, they give great guidance, which could be very important. We could see this thing push up to 950. If they don't hit estimate, or if they barely beat estimates and they don't give guidance, or they don't give good guidance, I could see us selling off, because we have really run up in the past couple of months. I mean, if you look, granted, we did sit sideways for a couple of months, but if you look, like, we are up 41% in just 71 trading days. So it is going to be important for them to put it up. I will do a recap tomorrow of their earnings, kind of like I did of Netflix today, and I'll keep you guys posted, guys. Enjoy your day. Hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you for all the support. It truly means the world to me. Go ahead and check out the free Discord link below, and I'll see you guys over there. Peace.